Sukalanda, and now I'm going to speak about the power we manifested in the Korean yesterday night. That we all manifested the power called pulse reading. That we all decrease and increase the pulse rate. Like for me, I increased from 75 to 139 and decreased back to 65. And we all played with that power, and it is useful for us by playing this power that whatever decision we can even change by doing this power. Even our will can be changed as what we want. We can